This is the electric spin brush, battery operated, USB chargeable with 5 heads and 2 speeds, IP rated, that you could dunk in your toilet bowl, do your bathroom, etc, etc. But don't dunk it 100%. Make sure that USB door is closed. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside the box, how to use it, how to set it up. Inside the box we have an instruction guide. 5 volt, 1 amp to charge unit, 2 full hours, 1500 plus milliamp battery. We have a flathead for the grout that you put on the floor, a wall. Please don't use this in a porcelain tub, it will scratch. Simply grab, give a nice hard pull, it comes off, and put right back on by pushing in. We have here for car wheels to get into the alloys to take all the dirt off. If you have pots and pans and countertops, stove tops that need to be scrubbed, this is like a Scotch Guard pad. And you have for windows, glasses, a soft sponge. They give you a lanyard strap and they give you a storage bag that you could put your unit. We are charging. It comes about 80% charged. It will not turn on while it's in a charge state. Please pull out. You see a blue light. 2 speeds. The first press is low. And the second press, the speed goes faster. And the third press will be off again. Again, to change the parts, pull the head out. Put the other head on. To change the Scotch-Brite pad, take off the Velcro, to put on to clean the glass, like so. Let's go clean some glass, and let's go clean some towel. I need to get in here. I put a little spray. I turn the unit on, and I clean my glass. This got some tough stains in it. And of course, kitchen grout that I can simply come here, put some chemicals, and I got kitchen grout that I can clean as well. And I want to come over here and clean this area. And I want to, put this underwater, clean up. I can do so as long as that is covered and it will work and run. So I'm at high speed and I want to clean the area. And it will do a good job. Now this is a Korean countertop and this pad, Scotch pad, is right for it. It'll take the stains out. And if you need to get into the car wheel and clean with soap and water, you could do so like so. And that's what this is meant for, to get everything in there nice and clean. Little mini spin brush, 5 accessories. It's very easy to take with you and recharge and use it anywhere around the house, by the boat, in the car, household, you name it. I hope this is a product that you may be looking for your household cleaning needs. Very portable and light duty. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.